Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're hopping into the fascinating world of kangaroos. These iconic Australian animals are full of surprises, from their incredible jumping abilities to their unique way of life. Whether you've seen them in nature documentaries or in the wild, there's so much more to learn about kangaroos that you probably didn't know. So let's jump right in and explore 10 fascinating facts about kangaroos. 1. Kangaroos are the largest marsupials on Earth. Kangaroos are the largest of all the marsupials, a group of animals that includes koalas, wombats, and Tasmanian devils. The red kangaroo, in particular, is the biggest and can grow to be over 8 feet tall when fully stretched out. The average adult male weighs between 120 to 200 pounds, while females are typically smaller. Their size and strong hind legs allow them to travel great distances across the Australian outback. Being so large, they need plenty of food to sustain them, which is why they primarily live in open grasslands and woodland areas where they can graze. 2. They can jump incredible distances. Kangaroos are known for their astounding jumping ability. Their long, muscular hind legs are perfectly designed for hopping long distances. When they leap, they can cover up to 9 meters, 30 feet, in a single bound. This ability is vital for their survival as it helps them travel across vast areas of the Australian landscape in search of food and water. Their strong legs also make them incredibly fast, with some kangaroos capable of reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour when needed, especially when escaping predators. 3. They use their tail for balance. A kangaroo's tail is one of its most distinctive features. It's thick, strong, and acts as a counterbalance when hopping. During a jump, the tail is crucial for keeping the kangaroo steady and preventing it from tipping over. It functions almost like a third leg, helping them stay balanced when hopping at high speeds or even when standing still. Their tail also plays an important role in communication and expression, often used to show aggression or assert dominance in encounters with other kangaroos. 4. Kangaroos are herbivores. Kangaroos are strict herbivores, which means they only eat plants. Their diet mainly consists of grasses, leaves, and shrubs, with some species even eating small amounts of flowers and fruit. Kangaroos have specially adapted teeth that are perfect for grinding down fibrous plant material. Unlike humans, they don't have a complex stomach like cows, so they rely on their long, slow digestive system to extract as much nutrition as possible from the plants they consume. In areas where food can be scarce, kangaroos are well adapted to surviving on tough, dry vegetation. 5. Baby kangaroos are called joeys. Just like other marsupials, female kangaroos give birth to very underdeveloped babies called joeys. After birth, the tiny joey, which is roughly the size of a bean, crawls into the mother's pouch to continue developing. It will stay in the pouch for several months, where it will nurse and grow until it is strong enough to venture out. Even once the joey starts leaving the pouch, it will continue to nurse and remain close to its mother for safety and comfort. This early stage of development in the pouch is crucial, as kangaroo young are unable to survive without the protection and nourishment provided by their mothers. 6. Kangaroos can travel in groups called mobs. Kangaroos are social animals and often live in groups known as mobs. These mobs can consist of anywhere from a few individuals to as many as 100 kangaroos, especially when resources like food and water are plentiful. The social structure of a mob is relatively loose, but there is usually a dominant male who mates with the females. Mobs are a good survival strategy because being in a group makes it easier to spot predators, and kangaroos can help each other find food and shelter. Though kangaroos are primarily solitary, they have a strong social bond within their mob. 7. Kangaroos can swim. While you might not think of kangaroos as swimmers, they are actually excellent in the water. In fact, kangaroos are capable of swimming across rivers or ponds when needed. When they swim, they use their powerful tails as rudders to help steer, and their muscular legs kick the water in a dog paddle style. Kangaroos have been seen crossing large bodies of water to reach new areas for food or safety. Their natural ability to swim is also helpful in escaping predators or other threats, allowing them to easily retreat to the water when needed. 8. They have a unique way of conserving energy. Kangaroos are built for long-distance travel across the Australian landscape, and their bodies are highly efficient at conserving energy. When they hop, their long legs act like a spring, storing and releasing energy with each jump. This means that kangaroos don't have to expend a lot of energy with every leap. Their natural hopping motion is incredibly energy efficient, and it allows them to cover large distances without getting tired quickly. This adaptation is perfect for their often arid habitats, where food and water are scarce, and they need to travel long distances in search of sustenance. 9. Male kangaroos engage in boxing matches. Male kangaroos often compete with one another in boxing matches to establish dominance, especially when it comes to mating rights. These fights typically take place in the wild and involve the males standing on their hind legs and using their powerful front limbs to strike each other. They also kick with their strong hind legs and may use their tails for additional balance during the match. These boxing bouts are not just for fun, they serve as a way for males to prove their strength and fitness to potential mates. The winner of the fight gains access to females and becomes the dominant male in the area. 10. Kangaroos are iconic symbols of Australia. Kangaroos are not just fascinating animals, they are also deeply embedded in Australian culture. They're one of the most recognizable symbols of the country, featured on the Australian coat of arms, currency, and even in the National Airlines logo. Their unique appearance, with strong, powerful legs and a gentle demeanor, makes them stand out among other animals worldwide. Kangaroos are also featured in Australian folklore, art, and literature, representing the vast, rugged beauty of the Australian outback. They've become an international symbol of Australia and its wildlife, with millions of people around the world associating kangaroos with the Australian landscape. And that's a wrap on today's video all about kangaroos. From their incredible jumping abilities to their social behaviors and even their boxing matches, kangaroos are truly fascinating creatures. We hope you enjoyed learning some new facts about these amazing animals. If you liked the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite kangaroo fact, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome wildlife content. Thanks for hopping by, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.